President's Day is celebrated on 17th February every year on the third Monday of February to mark the birth anniversaries of legendary former presidents of the United States of America, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. The federal holiday is also dedicated to honoring all former presidents of the nation. February 17 marks a significant federal holiday in United States. While it's commonly known as President's Day, its official name is Washington's Birthday, honoring the nation's first president, George Washington. Over time, the holiday has evolved to include recognition of other US presidents, including Abraham Lincoln, whose birthday is on February 12. However, the origin of this federal holiday is linked to the birth anniversary of George Washington, the first president of America, who served from 1789 to 1797. US celebrates President Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of its first president, George Washington. However, several archival documents suggest that Washington himself was not a fan of celebrating his own birthday. In fact, a diary entry from his 28th birthday, February 22, 1760, suggests that he was busy in installing a fence around his peach orchard at home in Virginia. 24 states celebrate the holiday as President's Day, while others recognize it as Washington's birthday or a combination of both. As a federal holiday, many government offices, schools, and banks are closed today, while stores and restaurants will remain open. Banks, post offices, government offices, and stock markets will not. According to US Today, branches of Capital One, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, PNC, Chase, Truist, and Citibank, amongst others, will also be closed. It is pertinent to note that US states are free to enact their own holidays for state employees and public school students, and not all follow the federal calendar. For example, some southern states have resisted honoring Lincoln, who led the Union during Civil War and put an end to slavery.